Francesco, did you see the new recycling bags I bought for the kitchen? They're cute, aren't they? They're gonna keep us nice and organized. What do you think? What's so funny? Seriously, what's so funny? What? 6 bags? Where did these come from? What do you mean everyone has 6? What's the one with the blue bag? Normal trash. And the one with the yellow, that is bio organic trash, like banana peels. And then we have coffee pots, 6 bags, and we can't get out the door. There is no way everyone's little kitchen in Italy looks like this. I don't believe you. A delivery from Ikea. Oh. I've been waiting for this for so long. We are redoing the recycling area in the kitchen because it's teeny and it needs to be organized or else everything is just everywhere. Yep, that's the unboxing. That's the unboxing. La la la. The unboxing of the recycling bins. We have serious recycling needs here in Italy. It's not just trash and recycling. Oh no, it's trash, it's organic waste, it's paper, it's plastic, it's glass, and for us, it's also Nespresso pods. So what's that? That's six bins. 6, yeah. And I was only able to find 3 of the ones that I needed at Ikea, and the other 3 just arrived. They're really popular. They're always out of stock. It's, of course, the organic bin and the tiny bins. We're gonna use one of the tiny bins for glass because we don't have so much glass, and the other tiny bin for the Nespresso pods because they don't take up that much space. But I love these. They're the hallbar, hello hallbar, and they're stackable. That's what I love about them because the space that I have available to me is more vertical. You'll see in a sec. Okay, got one with the lid on, and this is the mini, this item. I'll also link it down below. And they come with stickers, which is really helpful because when you go to someone's house and they have 6 containers and none of them are labeled, you don't know where to put your dirty paper towel or anything else, or your glass soda bottle or whatever it is you have, so you're guessing. This, I'm going to write right on there what it is because I need to remember too. So there's one. Here's the lid of the other one. They're really easy. They just snap into place once you get the plastic off. And they have these little locking mechanisms that just slide onto the back. They're marked left and right, R and L. So I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, yes, you can see that little L. That goes on the left and the R goes on the right. So L. We'll put that on here, and I've noticed you gotta push it all the way so it fills exactly the little, it's gotta fill exactly the little space. If it's over a little bit, the top won't fit. I'm one of the weird people that actually finds assembling IKEA stuff relaxing. There's directions, it's very easy. Okay, and it just snaps on. I say that, the last one took me a minute. Ha, got it. So that's on, easy peasy, lemon squeeze. And you just put the little white sticker on top, and then you write on there what you want. It's even got a little circle, little spot for the white sticker. You could put different stickers, put all the stickers you want, it's yours. So that is that. And the organic is this article, and same procedure here. easy. And this one has a handle, which is great. So very easy. It doesn't go all the way back in the back because of the hinges, but in the front, come on, what's happening? Oh no, you have to put it in the front to be able to open it. Oh, I see that limitation, but that's okay. Here you can see what half of the hallbar system looks like. 3 out of the 6 bins are here. Our old biological bin, I guess you'd call it, the brown one, doesn't really fit into the system. And we still have a paper bag full of Nespresso pods, and there's not a place right now for glass. So whenever we have glass recycling, we have to, find something to put it in and just put it wherever. But right now we have paper, plastic, normal trash, and biological, whatever you call that. And here we have the fully intact hallbar system in the kitchen. It's been Tetrised around a couple times, and now everything fits where it should in the space allotted. The door to the patio opens, or balcony, the door to the balcony opens, and we can easily access all 6 of the bins. And it really helped for us to live with our old system for over a year to notice what sizes we needed for each different category. For example, we have teeny tiny, we have 1 medium for normal trash, and we have the really big ones for paper and plastic. And if we hadn't lived with the old system for that long, we wouldn't have known that. And we would have possibly or probably bought containers that were much too big and unnecessarily so. So this is just right for us. Yeah, these look okay. We can do better. Now to make some happy labels. We need white peel and stick wallpaper that's paintable, or you can use contact paper. We need just plain white copy paper. We need a mechanical pencil and a Sharpie or other indelible markers. Make sure you use one that does not wash off. And something to make the corner radius. I'm using a 1-cent coin. That's how teeny they are. You can use whatever you have. I just measured the top size of the area that I wanted the sticker to be, and I made the radius by putting the little 1-cent penny on there, just marking the corners and cutting it out for each one. So we have our rounded corner templates for each of our 3 sizes of bin. Then I went online and found typefaces that I liked for each one and printed them the corresponding size for each one, for each label. And what we're going to do is use these 3 templates. We're going to mark them on the peel and stick wallpaper. And then we're going to take that and our typeface. We're going to take that and our typeface to a window and trace it. And that's how easy that is. Our label is cut out. Now we take our label and our typeface. We put one behind the other and we take it to the window. Let's go. We're going to trace it. But do we really have to divide all these things? Yes, we really do. Each building here has all these same recycling containers in their courtyard as we have here. The convenient location makes it much easier to divide everything. The Ikea hallbar hack has made my small kitchen so much more functional, and that makes it actually feel bigger. Thank you so much for joining me in this organization project for our small kitchen. Remember, you can organize your kitchen one project at a time when you have time. Each project completed will give you a sense of accomplishment. There's no need to do everything at once and stress yourself out if that's not your thing. There is much more kitchen organization to come, so hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next time.